story to tell. The number of countries participating in the Sea Breeze 2021 is impressive, including 40 warships and logistic ships, 30 fighters, and about 4,000 servicemen from Ukraine, USA, Canada, UK, Netherlands, Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, Turkey, and Latvia. In fact, in the Sea Breeze 2021 exercise, only the US missile destroyer USS Ross and the British destroyer HMS Defender have remarkable strength. The rest, being small ships, are easy to destroy. According to the calculations of experts, to ensure the destruction of the destroyer Defender or Ross, about 8 missiles of the Russian-born coastal defense complex are needed. And there are not the only Russian coastal defense weapons in the Black Sea, from Abkhazia to Crimea. The peninsula has special attention as an area of NATO obsession. The Born Coastal Missile Defense Complex, armed with KH-35 and KH-35U anti-ship missiles, can destroy targets at a distance of up to 260 kilometers. Combined with Born is Burek E-130mm coastal mobile artillery systems. It was designed to engage surface ships and fast attack boats, as well as ground targets. It is capable of engaging targets within 1 to 2 minutes and can fire up to 12 shots per minute. There is also the 3M54 caliber multi-purpose cruise missile system, which is a containerized cruise missile system designed to hit ground, surface targets, and anti-submarine. The system can be placed both ashore and aboard conventional cargo ships, making it indistinguishable from normal cargo containers. Such defensive weapons are directed towards the Black Sea region. To ensure air defense, at least one regiment of S-400 air defense missiles has been deployed in Crimea. Its radar can cover the airspace and detect targets even in the Istanbul city area, 542 kilometers from Sevastopol. It is clear that Russia has built up such a huge force to ensure the security of Kerch Strait and the entire Crimean Peninsula. There is no denying the combat capabilities of the US DDG-71 missile destroyer USS Ross, equipped with a variety of weapons and a respectable Aegis combat system. But in reality, these warships feel extremely insecure when faced with Russian electronic warfare systems. Being able to be attacked both from the ground, in the air, from the surface, and undersea are both serious threats to NATO warships. Of course, the USS Ross understands that it is one of the targets that will be attacked by Russia in the first place, and logically, they will try to avoid the contact area with the Russian fleet and coastal missile systems as much as possible. The Sea Breezer 2021 exercise in the Black Sea shows that NATO has not abandoned its plan to blockable Crimea, at least to create a zone of tension around it. Therefore, measures to strengthen Russia's military on the peninsula at the present time are necessary. In Crimea, the Air Force was also strengthened. The squadron includes Su-30SM, Su-24, Su-25. There are also strategic bombers Tu-22M3 and Tu-95. Of course, all the airspace over the Black Sea is controlled by Russia. Currently, Russia's air and sea defense systems are activated at the highest level, able to destroy the enemy without leaving Russia's shores. My video about the Sea Breezer 2021 answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.